Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Here are a few headlines from the sports world. We have the Reggae Girlz defeating South Africa in the first of two friendly matches held at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Now, Khadija Bonnie Shaw, she marked her return to the Reggae Girlz with a dazzling performance, scoring twice to lead Jamaica to a 3-0 victory over South Africa. The win is Jamaica's first since their historic triumph over Panama during the FIFA Women's World Cup in July 2023. The match opened with Jamaica asserting dominance early. Now Wilson opened the scoring in the 29 minutes, curling in a corner kick through a crowded penalty area for her first international goal. Shaw doubled the lead in the 55th minute, finishing off a well-executed team move. And Primus initiated the attack, finding Jody Brown, who beat the two defenders before delivering a perfect cross to Shaw for a great finish from close range. Despite missing an earlier chance, Khadija Shaw sealed the win with her second goal in the 83rd minute. She weaved through the South African defense before slotting the ball under the goalkeeper. The brace highlighted her immense talent and reaffirmed her role as the team's captain, and she's just good like that. Now, the victory was a moral boost for Jamaica as they prepare for the upcoming World Cup qualifying and the CONCACAF of Women's Gold Cup. Shaw's leadership and goal scoring prowess will undoubtedly be the key to the team's future success. With that said, she was also nominated for the Best FIFA Women's Player of the Year. Now, the announcement highlights both her stellar performances for both country and club in the past year. As a forward for Manchester City, Khadija has a record-breaking season in the Barclays Women's Super League, earning several prestigious awards including Player of the Season, Golden Boot, and PFA Player of the Year. She was also recognized as the English Football Writers Association Women's Footballer of the Year and named to the WSL Team of the Year. On the international scene, Bunny returned to action for the Reggae Girlz as we stated about the friendly. So probably she'll win this one. We'll see. So congrats to Bunny. She just keeps winning. Now let's move on to the other sports headline. Has to do with track and field and Alana Reid, Jamaica's sprinting superstar of the future. Athletics Weekly just named her their International Under-20 Female of the Year for 2024. And honestly, it's no surprise. This young queen has been lighting up the track all season. Back in August, she won her first World Under-20 100-meter title at the World Championships in Lima, Peru, clocking 11.17 seconds, one of the fastest under-20 times in the world this year. And if you think that's impressive, she ran 11.09 seconds early this year at the Tom Jones Memorial in Florida, making it the fastest under-20 time for 2024. Now, Alana anchored Jamaica's goal-winning 4x100 relay team in Lima and even got to represent at the Paris Olympics running in both rounds of the women's 4x100 relay. So she has been on fire for this year, and this award is just another sign that she's on her way to being the next big thing in athletics.